Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can change your sound output. If you have sound bar or something, if you want to change the sound setting in your Samsung TV, how you can change it. So first you have to open your settings. Here it is remote. You have to click on settings. You will see settings, click on it and setting will show up on here. Then you have to press down, click on sound. Here it is sound output. You will see TV speaker sound output. You have to click on it to change it, and you can see here it is TV speaker and optical. Here in this list it will show your sound bar's name or speaker's name that you want to connect. Here it will show. Then you have to press down and you have to press OK, and friends it will directly connect to it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.